We are back live. We are back live. We are back live. Let's go, YouTube. Come on. Let's see what you got now, huh? Come on. Think I fixed my stream. Let's go. Let's rock and roll. Two live streams. Why it says, oh yeah, because one's portrait, another one's different. So let's go, man. Let's see what we got. Let's add the stream. Um, add some text right now. So far, I'm up nice. Nice, 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 guys. Nice. So far, I am up very nice. God. Switch it here. Let's go. We are live. Testing and testing and testing and testing and testing. Going, 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 going. You go up, you go up, you go here, you go there. You go here, you go there. My music is loud. Yeah, we rocking. Peace, love, subscribe. Yeah, let's go. Peace, love. I love you. I love you, peace, love. Who doesn't like peace, love, man? Who does not like peace, love? Peace and love. That's all we need in this life, man. If you have peace and love, you have everything, boys and girls. That's all you need. Peace and love. Let me fix my video related. And we can go. Some analysis here, technical analysis. Ooh, 1400 views. Ooh, we popping. We popping. Lots of people online. Lots of people online. Lots of people staying to watch. Lots of people staying to watch. Let's go.
In my pocket. Oh, what is it gonna be? Trading with the money. Another $15,000. Listen, nice. Let's go, man. Okay, so what is it again? Yeah, so that's 46, right? That's 46, and then
Let's go, guys. Let's rock and roll. Stream is good. Stream is popping. 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 Let's pop. Let's pop.
It's so nice. It's so fast. It's so luxurious on the inside. It's like the best of all worlds.
I'm putting that out there, guys. He's dodging me. He's dodging me.
Get wet to play Javier.
It's love. Incredible. Hold tight, hold tight. What's happening now? We popping, guys. We popping. See, right back to my entry from here. It was a good short, man. 44 to 13. 30 points right there. I'm getting those points, boys. We getting those points, you know. We are here to get points. We are here to get paid. We want to get paid in a daily base. That's all we want. We are here to get paid. I mean, why do you trade? You trade to get paid. That's all we trade for, you know. Trade right, get paid tonight. You know, that's simple. You know, I like prop firms that have like nice rules, you know. Take profit, lucid, top step. They all have like clean rules. Easy to follow rules, nothing overcomplicated. Who is being brutal? Okay, I'll be here all day. It's like we're gonna break out. It's like we are about to break out. And the drop is huge from the entry. Music is loud, yeah. We like the music. Music is popping. Maybe that shit is too loud. Okay, maybe it's better now. Best payout structure, top step, man. Not top step, take a profit. Cannot beat the daily payout, you know. You cannot beat that. I'll come back. What the fuck is this? Coin market. Like my account, my Coinbase got hacked or something. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, there is one click. One click. One click. I'm on the dashboard. Okay. It's like 1%. Things are getting better, maybe. There's a mosquito here. What's popping? How you guys doing today, man? What's happening here? Let's analyze the market. Uh, let's analyze the market. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's happening here. See the 5 minutes. See the 5 minutes. Yep. She's uptrending. She is uptrending. Look at that trend line right here, man. She's trending up. She's trending up. Dog is barking. Dog is going crazy. Hey, enough. Dogs is the mailman, you know. Yeah, my grass probably needs some water, I guess. Okay. Taken to the grass, finally needs some water. Saturday. Saturday, grass. I'm gonna get some water on Saturday. Oh, dealing with my grass a lot and I'm having problems. So now I'm learning that you cannot water your grass every day, you know. So, yep. Yeah, that we're seeing we're going up, man. We're going up. Do not fight the trend. If you fight the trend, just scalp, man. Don't fight the trend. Don't fight that trend. It's trading 101, you know. Do not fight the trend. I can see it's going up. You just see that we have like a little resistance here. I'm trading on the 5 minute chart, so not sure what time frame you are on, but slowly going. See, it went up, down, up all the way, down, up, down. Now it's gonna try to break the resistance. So let's see if it's gonna touch the 500 line. Let's see if we can get to 500s. Let's see. So now we are here trying, as you can see, from 9 a.m. Was a nice 100 points pullback. More than 100, still like 350. We went up all the way to 360. Then we went down to 160. So 200 points. Then we popped back up 200 points. Then we broke the high right here. And now we're going. Now we're going to try to break the high right here, right now. Yep. We are trying to break this high. And looks like we're going to keep going, man. I'm not taking trades today, but if I was going to trade, I was going to take a trade right here with a stop loss below this candle. My stop loss would be on 460, you know. I'll go small. You go small, give 20 points stop and let it roll. Let it pop. Be patient. Let it pop. Let it pop, man. You gotta let the trade work for you, you know. Let the trade work for you. You gotta be patient, man. You gotta be patient. See, now we're trying. We're trying. Want me to flip to 1 minute time frame? Sure, I'll flip it. See, we're trying right here. See, there's a little resistance here. Then we're gonna retest those moving average. We can go all the way down, man. But hey, have your stop loss. That's all you need. Don't overcomplicate trading. Just have your stop loss. If you have your stop loss, you are good. You cannot blow up. You know, it's very simple. You cannot blow up your account if you have a calculated stop loss, right? If you agree with me, hit the like, man. Hit the like, share with your friends, and let's grow together. Let's go. We live. It's not that easy to trade live, you know, when you think about it. It's a lot of pressure, bro. We do it here, we do it live. We call trades whenever we can, and we keep rolling, keep rocking, rolling, man. See, that's what I said. It goes here and pop. Can we go all the way, maybe? It's going up. I've been telling you guys. I've been telling you guys. It's gonna keep going up. You see the uptrend here? Now it's testing again. It's testing again right here. The resistance. Come on. If I was not done for the day, I would be buying right here. You know, like of course you gotta have your stop loss. Put your stop loss right here, and that's it. Let it ride. If you don't have your stop, man. If you don't have your stop, you're in trouble. All right, let's go here. Let's answer to the comments. Sorry, I missed your comments, man. Oh, I was distracted here. Can you go through indicators, Chris? Pretty new to this. Chris, are you still here? David, are you still here? Let's see if David left, I think. But Chris, if you're still here, let's go really quick. Let's go really quick. Let's review. So, see this line right here? It's 9 moving average. Simple moving average, right? So what happens then? The market tends to trade to ride those lines, the moving average. See from here, you see you see the you see that riding to the upside, trying to fail here, but it's reclaim. But if you look on the 5 minute chart, we got a reclaim right here from the support. So whoever was patient came right here, support, put a little line right here, resistance. That's the opening range. The market open right here, 830. 830 right here. See? You can try the open or you can be a little patient, whatever you want, right? But if you are patient, 830 till 9, we had a little range. That was the range right here. And after that, it broke the range to the upside. Sometimes retest the lows and break lower. Now it broke the range to the upside. What do you do? If you had a plan, you would go here, you long, you put your stop loss, right? Each time you go, you gotta have your stop loss. As you can see here, my trade was a short right here. I start shorting here, right? Why did I short here? Because the market was getting tired. But I had my stop loss right here as well, on top of one of 80s. Because market gets tired, but I can keep going. So got a couple points here. Still going lower, but I took my profit here and ran away. But as you can see, we're still in an uptrend. See the line here? That's the 21 EMA. So here is the EMA. So went up after that. Hey Ollie, good to see you, buddy. Yeah, today I'm trading during the day. Uh, yeah, only today, and I'll be on again after 5. So as you can see here, that was bouncing from the 21 SMA, simple moving average 200. That's the 200 right here, and the blue line is the 21. All right, so you can see that was right. And one thing that I also use is the view app. What is the view app? It's like who is in control, right? The buyers are in control here if above the view app. Below view app, the sellers are in control. There is a huge amount of buyers on the 1 hour chart bottom. Yeah, I was analyzing early, like at the open, At the open, I was screaming here, telling people, hey, like, hey, see here, the 200, the 200 single moving average, we're right here. What usually happens? What's the moving average? The 200. So means 200 days. That's the average of buyers on this line. That's the average. That's what they are. And you can see here there was a big bounce. So there was a big bounce from here on the 1 hour chart. I always look at the longer time frame. So uh if we're gonna go down, let's see here. We could retest. We can retest. Let's go back here and see what happened back in the days. Yeah, here we didn't retest much. We did actually. We went up here and we retest the lows. We poof bounce and retested. We stayed here for a while on May 20. Let's see the 4-hour chart. Custom time. Let's put 4 hours here. Let's actually open the other one here on TradingView. It's easier to look on TradingView. So many lines. Oh, it's looking strong on the 4 hour show. The 4 hours is sure to look strong, man. But as you can see, he might be on the top of the trend. Let's see if I can get like 4 hours. I don't know how to do 4 hours here. No, it's 4 minutes. Let me see how I do 4 hours here on this trading view. Second, custom range. 1 hour, custom time. Volume. Let's see what's 4 hours in minutes. What is 4 hours in minutes? So that's 240 minutes. Let's see the 4 hours. Let me fix that. Oh, the 4 hours candle looks bullish, buddy. It looks bullish. The only thing I can see here is the moving average. You know, it's retesting the moving average. So, see, it failed here on the moving average once. Failed here on the left. Failed here on the left. But I think if we break this moving average to the upside, it's tough. Look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is reclaiming everything. I don't know. I have to disagree with you. It looks a little bullish. Looks a little bullish. But we can fail right here. Now we might have some sellers here. See what we dumped? We dumped the first time here. Yeah, I mean, if I was short, I would have my stop on like somewhere around 500. Problem is that like the algos, they love to take people's stop loss, so the algos pop and dump. I don't know if that was today, but that was the other day I was trading. The algo went right there on my stop and poof. And then I'm like, man, I knew better. I should have put my stop, my entry, and my stop. Yeah, the 1 hour looks strong. But if we fail, I think we fail here. Yeah, the 15 minutes riding this moving average too. Yeah, see, if we look left here, we had we were in the little range here for a little. So, see, let's see if we reclaim the 200 right here. Can we do it today? Possible.
Someone was detected at his passport.
For me, the 4 hour chart isn't at the level of 4 hour Asian Open. There is still room for pullback. I'm really hoping for that. Yeah. What's your entry? Where did you get in? So we go here to the 540s right here. That was the highs. There might be a little resistance here. $3,200 short, 3,200. Uh, yeah, they win a lot against you. Just then, here, let's see, 30 minutes, 200. Yeah, you went short here. You went short on the breakdown, right? Yeah, you went short right on the breakdown. This candle here was strong. Yeah, right here, buyers are pushing right here. See buyers pushing here, buyers pushing here. Buyers are pushing. Yeah, and I feel because it's hard to close right now since we look left. I can see a little resistance right here. Like right here on 530. See to try to break once, twice, 3 times. So yeah, I know. I do not trade from my phone. Done there. Let's see if we flip now. Still getting a little support here, become resistance here. Any Trump news would be bullish at this point. Even oil is down unless Iran hits someone badly in the Middle East. Not sure what's coming. Should have no by experience that the AVGO pullback would have been completely covered by the end of the day. Always was. You'll be. Let's check actually VGO. VGO stock. It's 100. Yeah. Shoot. 3% down. Yeah, VGO looks like it's in a support level there. Yeah, Trump lately has been pumping. Sometimes he doesn't care, but like lately he's been pumping. Looks like he even had a fight or like an argument with the guys from Israel. BB. Check something here. Yeah, we try again. We try again on this little resistance here. Let's see if we go to 500s now. Very close now. See if we break those 500s. See a lot of resistance here. Let's see. Yeah, looks like we're breaking. Looks like we're going. I think now we're gonna go. Let's see if we go. What's next? What's the next resistance? 530-ish. Yeah, if you look left, it's a big U shape. 540-ish. Man, 10 seconds delay? Wow. Let's see finance. Finance juice. Finance juice. Wow, that's pretty cool actually. I'm gonna sign up for that one. Thanks for sharing. Yeah, I think we're gonna break here. If I went long here, I would have my stop. Tight stop. 20, 30 points. Trying to see if it goes to 550s. Financial juice, I'm signing up. This feed is delayed. Get 3 months of pro or wait for the price of one. Let's see how much will be real time. It's not dollars. I don't know what currency is this. Let's think of Forex Factory. I never use Forex. I never even trade Forex. Forex Factory. Forex Factory. Global Market Connects. Okay, it's a news website too. Forex factory. Yeah, looks good. There's a lot of real time stuff here too. I'm gonna bookmark financial juice. Yeah, I see Forex factor similar to the economic calendar. I usually go to investing.com slash economic calendar. That's my two go to see the economic calendar. Cool stuff. We failed the break for now. For now, we failed a little break here. Let's bring this up. Yeah. Now everybody calls the supply and demand. It's just support and resistance, something. See here a little resistance, little support, support tested again, right back up. Like first failure here on 500s. Yeah, for now it's failing here, this little resistance, but Well, let's see what by the end of the day is gonna happen. Let's see the 1 hour. Let's see the 1 hour is doing. Let's see if we go back to 400s. For now, we're holding here. Yeah, it's like, ah, you're here and quick and yeah. Let's see the 3 minutes, 5 minutes. We can see the 5 minutes here, like this candle with push, push. It's big green candle here. Yeah, this candle here, 632. Look at that. Yeah, we tried to pop and we dropped and then popped again. We stayed in a big range here on 8:30 till 9:45. Yeah, it's a nice candle. Shit. Yeah, it had to be like a tight stop. It's like a 5 minutes candle. Look at that. 180. Oh yeah, it's 100. It is 100 points. Yeah. That one's 100 points here. At the 15. That's very bullish, this candle here. That's the same candle. Yeah, your entry was right here. 200. Shit. Yeah. I mean, that would be a beautiful entry if you got some continuation to the downside, right? But that's like a big support here. Yeah, it's not big actually. Let me see here. Yeah, if you go back here on the left, dumped here, stayed here for a while. 300, 300. Yeah. I mean, kind of, that was a fake out. That was, see, like, can see kind of like as a fake out, like a little fake out to the downside. Yeah, might go back to 400s if we go back. If we go back, would be 400s. Hmm. See if I can grab everything here. Spinach from here to the highs. Oh, without having 300, 500 points range to pick up below. What do you think it means if the bears come and go and there is a resistance like this? Just sellers, just sellers right here. But the market is moved by buyers and sellers. So when the sellers give up, the buyers take over. When the buyers give up, the bears take over. So for now, buyers took back over. Yeah, buyers took back over. Look like we're going to pre-market highs. Pre-market highs was 540ish. That's actually more than 540ish. 550. Oh, what is pre-market highs? 530ish. Yeah, 530ish. Kind of 540ish. Yeah, all the way here. 540 something. Yeah, looks like we're going. Slowly going. It's going very slow, but it's going up. Yeah, looks like we're going now. Broke the little resistance. You know what I see next? Next stop. 550, 540. See you later, buddy. Good to see you. Yeah, I'll be back later online again. So it's slowly but going. See, Trump being quiet lately. We're going. We're going. A big uptrend. Slowly going.
It was just regular checkup with this with the 5 minute stuff from the streets. As with everything,
We have two E's.
No.
You deny the chicken?
No, so,
It's your food?
of course, it's still good.
I know. One of them.
Well, I have a salmon.
One more percent.
Mm-hmm. Okay, cool.
remember last time I did it, like all the chicken with my hand.
Mm-hmm.
That's the other one I touched. My father becomes golfer.
You had
But everything she used to say, like, when you have a dog, you don't understand. When you have a kid, you don't understand. Why I have understood. What is it?
did you have customer?
So I have friends online. Yeah.
The friend.
But that was so structure you have like stream on multiple platforms, right? Like a tweet and
Mm-hmm.
YouTube, multiple. So when I stream on multiple platforms, I get very laggy. I'm surprised because we're supposed to have good internet.
Yeah, like right now, it looks like in the middle connection.
And it's hard when so what I actually do is I actually I feel like I tried. I actually go back and just stream on YouTube. And it was still bad. The stream was kind of bad. The first time was okay, like getting people later the second. And then I noticed that YouTube 2 doesn't happen. Like stop and go back, stop and go back. Like, you know about the algorithm? Like, oh yeah, I'm training the algorithm. And it was telling me that what happens is that before, the YouTube would recommend you only when people see it. If people see it, they recommend you. Okay, cool. Now it's one on flat. They recommend you how long to stay, all the how people interact. So we went up to 540ish. That's kind of what I thought. 540, 550. We went back right to pre-market highs, and we failed. But I don't know. I think we're gonna keep going, but we'll see.
Is that unbelievable? Oh, good view.
Hey, thank you, Chris. Oh, for minutes.
he other day when he ran from the bedroom. He said, like, I just did. Mhm. I was thinking about it. Listen, on the animal welfare page, some of the Gemini pictures, it marks as AI now too, and I cannot remove it. And it said then the explanation that uh, why is it AI info? It's AI info because the picture was created, sent the metadata, and then it's scanned. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. But if I give it with a one vector, it doesn't let me. Because it says, when I look at the post, it says AI level off, but it's still there. There's something I wanted to ask you when I was driving. I'm thinking, from an I forgot what.
Yeah, back to the highs. Yeah, we're back to the highs, man. Might go green. You might go back green on the day, man. Okay, there. Every failure gets brought right back. We're going high, non-stop, non-stop. Look at that, right in the moving average. 9 moving average. We are right in the. Yeah, we're going back, man. We're going back up. See 30 minutes. Oof. See, we had a little resistance here that we are breaking. All the way up. All the way up. The 5 minutes. Non-stop, man. Buyers are strong. What's next? Let's see what's the next level. Ooh. Breaking the 40s. If we don't hold here, we go all the way back to 600s. We gotta hold here. If we don't hold here, see the 1 hour, 1, 2, 3. This 1 hour candle is strong. That's what I was saying pre-market. If we were here earlier, I was calling that out. I was saying like, look, 200 moving average here, 1 hour chart. It's classic, classic bounce. Boom. That's a classic bounce. Let's look left. Let's look left. See? Look left. Big bounce. It failed. Let's look left. This has a tendency to hold the moving average, man. And we keep going non-stop. Look at the 1 minute. See the 5. We're going up non-stop. Are we gonna go green today? Let's see. Possible. That's what would be the next resistance could be here 600s. If we go to 600s, we go green on the day. If we go to 600s, we go green. Can we go? Why not? Though the buyer's gonna have the juice. Can't have it. Why not? That's the question, right? Yeah, how we going, man? Non-stop. Yeah, it's a big uptrend. There's no mercy from the bulls. Up. We are up nice. Yeah, we keep going. Think we're gonna go green on the day. Looks like we're gonna go back green on the day. Yeah, guys, looks like we're going green on the day. NASDAQ trying to go green. See, we have 47 points negative, and now we're going up non-stop. Bang. There's no negative news that stop NASDAQ. Look at that, man. And that's on the 5 minutes. Look at the 1 minute. Look at the 1 minute from 500. I've been calling out since here. It's like looks strong. And boom. Trying to go back green, man. NASDAQ. Look at that. We're trying. See, we are riding the 9. We are riding the 9 since here. Since 520ish, we are right in the 9. Man, we're more 2600 from here. I've been calling out since we broke out here. We broke out here, like, yeah, that's definitely a long. Whoever took that long, congratulations. Yeah, it's still holding the 9. 9 simple moving average. Still holding for now. See if we got a pullback, you know. We got a pullback. Our bull's gonna keep pushing. Yeah, we holding here. We holding there. We are holding, man. Bulls are strong. Bulls are very strong. Bulls are strong. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Again. Holding the 9. Holding the 9. That's all it's doing. That's all it's doing. It's very strong. Yep. Non-stop pop. We're gonna go green, man. I think we're gonna go green on the day. Might get a pullback before we go, but Jeff, welcome to the channel. Good to have you here. Yeah, see what we're doing here? We are riding the simple moving average, 9 simple moving average. That's what we're doing. So if you're long here, you gotta have a tight stop. Because we already got a nice ride. We already got a nice ride. Nice ride to the upside. Still holding. Still holding. If we keep holding, what's 40 points, huh? What's 40 points to go green on the day? I mean, while we're up from here, 369 from here, right? It's not even the opening. Let's move to 5 minutes. So see on the 5 minutes, went all the way to 160. 160. So we are up more than 400 points.
This one, there's no progress yet. The Bianca is waiting on the 19th, so I will encourage her again. I'm not sure how.
Finally getting a pullback.
Oh, F9. Oh, I'm so sorry. I was working on the F9 ticket. Stayed in my hand. Yeah, there is a ticket they're waiting. They send an email to FinOps, and FinOps have to reply them with approval for the new licenses. After that, they will be able to provide new licenses to us.
Are we gonna hold here or not?
I mean, to be clear, from what we saw, actually, that's what we want to check, we can reach out maybe Anurag to you, right? You understand it's better. It's not from the home chart because we see this for the last 30 days multiple times, right? So the previous the profit expectation, which is in terms of 70%. No, it's just if I think correctly, right, on the startup, has reached out through the access point and rock, right? But later it reached out directly to the S3 bucket because their test, QA test right now checked against S3 bucket path, right? But at every startup, I see that it's actually reached out to access point and the next pull, not to test directly interface, sorry, and the next pull, it reach out directly to S3 bucket path. Direct with the expected. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we can take it offline, so we can take it.
The trend we have range here. Going back up and going back up to the highs. Bismillah.
Stage. Yeah, I need to deploy to stage this week, so this way we have a Tuesday and Monday and Tuesday to deploy to prod next week. Only 2 days week of freeze. We'll deploy stage this week, then we can deploy profits.
Bad. Yeah, I see now it's strong. It's holding strong, you know.
Or do we have a off on 19 which day? 19? Nice.
Tight stop, yeah. We broke all the resistance here. So pull back to 500s. Would be nice, you know. End of the day, yeah. I mean, maybe now. My indicator is flipping. Look at my indicator, he's flipping. So yeah, short there with the stop at the high of the day. That might be good. Right stop on the highs. Looks like a good short.
nos trades, que pegando minha conta 8 horas, né? Eu fiz o cara contar. De repente, ele, no final da luz, tipo assim, nessa casa, terceira vez essa semana que tá acontecendo isso. Tá tendo muita construção, cara, entendeu? E não tem nada disso. E aí, cara, se eu não me engano, tá? Você tá sabendo? E daí, eu fiquei lá, cara. Daí, tipo, não foi mais ou menos. Ele já tá me contando, esse cara tá bem. Eu tá focado, cara. E o que acontece? Assim, não tinha alta, mas. E para me terminar essa, para chegar a pagar essa diferença do governo. E daí, eu falei, seria a outra, a cara vai, beleza? Eu podia.
Yeah, I had some good trades early, Right here, I went short right here on the left, if you see. I went short here and I had my stop right here. I was so close to hit my stop. Then I took it out again. And then after that, I locked the account and just watching, just hanging out. Pulling back now. Let's see how far we go. In 150 points, it's great. Yeah. Yeah, that's the volatility, Like, let's go. I don't know, for me, 50 points, I gotta take a little, Yeah, gotta take some profit at least on 50 points. Especially NASDAQ. NASDAQ is it's like sometimes we get one candle, 100 points. Let's see here. Let's see how many points. 480. Yeah, see that candle. It's 50. Two candles here, 50 points. But the long here is insane. Whoever took a long here, 350 all the way up to 450. He was definitely a good long right here. Like for example here, somebody took a long here, 364. See 100 points and go back to 100. Oh, imagine if you have some like I don't know, like good contract size, like up 3,000. Then you see go back down to 3,000. Imagine the emotions would be running higher. I'm gonna close for now. See you later. Be back at 5.